Welcome, I'm Sean Calica, part of the sales team here at Caravans. Just want to give you a video walk around tour of the Swift Elite 880 2022, so please sit down and enjoy. So the Swift Elite 880 2022, single axle, end bathroom transverse island bed, 4 berth. Again, it is based on the Challenger 880. We do add our own little spin, so again the side decals change, obviously the name change obviously to the Elite. You have the ATC trailer control for a safer tow, carbon fibre front lockers, and also your chrome grab handles. Just around the side you've got your external gas points, entertainment hubs, which has a triple arm TV bracket, and also as well the external 230 volt. On the wheels, it does come as standard with the Alco wheel lock, so Alco secure wheel lock. And then just moving to the rear of Swifts, it's got the LED lights, but also the fitments there, so that if you wanted to add a bike rack, there is the option for our shop as well. So we'll move on to the interior now for you. Getting on the main habitation door, so again you've got your nice shelf just there, just on the right hand side. A little bit of storage just on the under cupboards. TV points. Now with the 2022s it doesn't come with the TV brackets. Nice mirror. Overhead storage. Your Audi control, and then obviously your main control panel. Your alarm and your fire engine. And then the under lockers, you've then also got your standard radio. So on the top lockers, you'll notice there it's a beautiful, like I say, it's a non-gloss finish. So under touch LED lights, and then you move out, you'll see there with the single beds, it's a beautiful layout. Panoramic roof. Again with the Elite styling, the front binnacle, so your mains, so your electric socket and then your USB points. It does have double pleated blinds, and also as well your fly blinds. Speakers in the roof. Again, just on the colour combinations on your cushions, and you've got your double colours. You will notice there just within the curtains, again it has that lovely gold tint. Moving to the kitchen, so table unit just on the side. And you will notice there with the fridge, so plenty of storage just underneath there, obviously with your freezer section as well. Cutlery drawer, then under storage, which pulls out. Cupboard underneath the main oven. So one shelf in the main oven. You've then got your grill, and it is a 3 gas burner with 1 electric. Your splashback design, again, just on the kitchen top and the work surface, 2 electric points, and then your microwave with your storage for your glasses and your plates. In terms of an extra little bit of storage, so we just go directly opposite, we've then got in terms of your table. Directly inside as well, you've then got access to be able to go in from both sides. You've got your sections for your front bed, so there are your fillers for your front bed. You will also notice there obviously with the Audi tank as well, so the Audi central heating. And then you've got your blind to be able to pull across as well. Another electric point, under cupboard, 2 drawer pull outs, and then your main bed. So again, with it being a transverse island, there's plenty of walk around to be able to get around. And just on that rear headboard, 2 under LED lights, 2 overhead lockers, coat hangers, a little bit of storage just underneath. Around again, just in terms, so your mirror, which it does have, pulls out of an extra little bit of storage behind, and then just underneath, so again you've got your TV ports, on the window you've got the covers just to the side, again as I mentioned earlier, double pleated blinds as well. Moving on to the end bathroom, so again in terms of the shelving, storage, just underneath. It has the Elite badging on the side on there as well. And then just as you go into the shower, so again it is controlled, slides across. So your main shower head controls there. You do have, again, coat hook. So, like I say, if you do have any questions at all, please feel free to ask away with a member of the sales team. Video walk around tour. Hope obviously you've enjoyed the video. If you do have any questions at all, please feel free to contact a member of the sales team on 01476 560 599, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.